Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So today I got a great new update for you guys. So Aliomatic will be able to also import post taxonomies for generated posts. So let me show you this in action. Let me create a custom post taxonomy with the CPT UI plugin. So let us go to edit taxonomies and let me add a custom taxonomy. So we should use a custom taxonomy slug here and label. Okay, assign to post, add taxonomy, and we should remember the slug of the custom taxonomy that we have added. So this is the slug custom underscore taxonomy, because we will need this in plugin settings. Now we go to Aliomatic plugin. Let's import a keyword search for a product, and if we scroll down here, we will see this new settings field, custom taxonomies, and here we will be able to use this to add custom taxonomies to posts. So for this we need to enter the slug of the custom taxonomy equals and greater to form an arrow, and the value should be entered now, which should be assigned to the custom taxonomy. So let's assign test 1 and test 2. Okay, now let's save the settings and let's import a product. And if we go and refresh our posts, we will see that one product imported, and if we check it, we go to post editing screen, we should see our custom taxonomy. So here it is, custom text, test 1 and test 2 automatically assigned. So it is very easy to handle the new feature, as you can see. So you just enter a custom taxonomy and go here and set its slug, this arrow, and the values for the custom taxonomy. Also, you can use shortcodes for this. So here you will be able to see the full shortcode list, which can be used here. Let me show you an example of how to use this. So let us add, for example, let us add the title. Yeah, this is good. So let us copy the title and enter a comma and paste the shortcode of the product title. Save settings, delete the post that was imported and re-import it. Now if we go to posts and refresh our original taxonomy, we should be able to see more added. Okay, so I hope you will enjoy this new feature, because it is really great to have. And until next time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more news, updates and similar content, and have a great day. Bye bye.